This is the day that I will pass my title, being the Mr. ACNHS 2007. But I know this is not the end, but it is just the beginning of my new life. Joining Mr. ACNHS 2007 is a worth treasure experience. I learned to cooperate with other candidates, and I learned to improve my self-confidence. I joined this pageant to share my knowledge, talents, and goals. I believe that I want this pageant because I have my knowledge and capability. That's why I won the title. I would like to thank those people who helped me, my family, friends, especially God. To this year's candidate, congratulations, and you did a good job. To this year's winner, congratulations, and continue what we have started. Be a good leader and a good example to the ACNHS students. This is Willie Kito, Mr. ACNHS 2007. Good day and enjoy the rest of the program.
Pati kay Sarah.
Oh, galing na Bing. Ay, ano sabi? Ay, kanino man. Si Bing? Kay Bing? Ay, Sarah, dinagdagan niya na lang.
Hindi. Naka-record mismo ako gumawa.
Voice niya?
Oo, siyempre.
O ba yan, hindi? Nakakaiyak. Iyak ako, tagalo. Nakakaiyak na.
Myself standing in front of so many people, but I thought it was just a dream I did not achieve because of having no guts and self-confidence in me. Then that day came which entered me to join that kind of event. My first time to join a pageant. I searched for Mr. and Miss ACNHS 2007. Then I was crowned. Crowned Miss ACNHS 2007 was really a journey which changed my life. I learned things which helped me to have good values, self-confidence, which I can share to my fellow men. Experiencing this pageant was a thing I can treasure for a lifetime. I experienced teamwork and the camaraderie of the people around me. This pageant helped me to prove to everyone and to myself that I can showcase my talent, my ability, guts, and beauty. But I do believe that beauty is only a secondary quality, winning this pageant. It is only how you project your knowledge and capabilities to win the title. I cannot achieve this without the help of the people around me. First, the family who gave their full support all the way. Next, the faculty members of ACNHS, beloved Principal Mrs. Estrelita Lecaros, our guidance counselor Mr. Noel Belsa, my academic teachers Ms. Mandayo, Mr. Saison, Mr. Roxy, Mr. Laza, Ms. Lorena, Mrs. Figueroa, Mr. Aquino, and especially to my class advisor, Mrs. Rhea Nicolas, who gave me strength, their full support, and encouraged me to join the contest. I would also like to thank the pageant organizer, Mr. Alan Traquina. Without him, this pageant could not be possible. Then, I would seek gratitude to my official designer, Mr. Jim Andrews, who made me shine that day, and to my makeup artist, Donald Ayala. Then, to my classmates, schoolmates, and friends, who gave their best to help me until the end. Lastly, to our father Frank, who gave me this talent and guts, which I share. He is my savior and my teacher. Thank you everyone for your support. Passing to now will not be the end of my journey. I always with this year's candidates, all of you are winners. They're standing there considered as winners. And this year's Mr. and Miss ACNHS 2008 winners. You're the example.
Hoy, kamay mo!
Education
Kawawa naman!
to others.
Alam sa alam ko!
I try my best to do good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Sharon Rowan Jackson.
Dapat inulit na lang niya!
ACNHS 2007. Good day and enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.
Flying kiss!
Thank you very much, Miss Cheryl Laurie Jackson, our Miss ACNHS 2007, and Mr.